Hey everyone, welcome back to Excel Whiz. In a previous video, we covered how to calculate the sum of filtered data in Excel. But what if you just want to count how many cells that are filtered in Excel? For example, how many export transactions were shipped to the USA? So let's solve this using this example. So to calculate this, let's first apply filters to our data. Highlight your data, and then let's, under data tab, click on filter. So we have filters on our data. So let's say we want to count how many shipments went to the USA. Let's click on the filter arrow under country, this filter arrow here, and then we'll have to uncheck all of them and only click on the USA. Click on OK. Now, as you can see, we only have data for the shipments that were sent to the USA. So we can try to use the normal function, that is the count, to see if this can calculate it. Let's say count, and then highlight that. As you can see, that is it's not working, so that's not the formula that we are supposed to use. So to count the filtered cells, what we are going to use, the formula subtotal but this time we are going to use count A. Once you're done that, you click comma and then select your cells and click enter. As you can see, it only calculated the first three cells that have the USA as a country. So alternatively, you can also use 103. So we can go subtotal and then use the 103, count A, comma, and then select your cells. This is going to give you the same answer. So you could choose to use for count function number 3 or function number 103. They both they manually ignore the hidden rows. That's why you can see we only calculate the first 3. But now, what if we want to only count shipped exports to the USA? We'll move on the status header. We'll move to the status header, deselect, and just tick on shipped. When you click OK, as you can, it manually updates itself. So that's how you can count cells that are filtered in Excel using the subtotal formula with count number 3 and 103. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to send them on our comment section, and if you need a special video for you, please let us know in the comment section as well. And as always, thank you for watching, and see you again in the next video. Bye.